We're at the self-service car wash here in Martinez or Augusta. It's Augusta on the maps, but it's set on Martinez, and this guy says Martinez. Exterior, I do not see any lights. On the interior, though, we do have 4-foot bulbs, T12s. We've got 2, 4, 6, and 8. Once again, 212 4-foot bulbs here in Martinez. And there's 8 in each one of these, so 4 and 4 more makes 8 more, makes 16. In this one, there's 8 more as well. That's 24. Eight more in here makes 32. Once again, those are just T12s, 4-footers. Now this one here is closed. I have no way to get in here. So there could be some lights in here. Once again, we're at the car wash on Martinez, technically Augusta. And then we got 2, 4 more there. Makes 40. And this one here, 8 more, 48. 8 more in this one, makes 56. 8 more in this one, 64. And 8 more in this one. We got 72. How you doing? T12 4-footers. And also on the exterior here, we're gonna have. How you doing today, sir? Yeah, I'll come right back. I gotta finish this video. Yes, sir. And then here we've got 2 more of these guys. Almost like a can like you fit in there. We got 2 of those. And then once again, there is a full garage here where I don't see anything. But up here we do have 2 more 8-foot T12s here. So that's 4 8-foot T12s. And then also 2 more 4-foot T12s. And then I do not know what was in that garage there. And then there's also 2 more of the bulbs like this. Once again, we're at the car wash here in Martinez, technically in Augusta.